Some interesting vocabulary with the letter F. Fortuitous. It means happening by lucky chance. For example, after its business competitor collapsed, it was a fortuitous opportunity for the company. Foppish. It means someone who is extremely interested in their appearance and clothing, especially men. For example, he always wears extravagant and foppish clothes during festivals. Facetious. It means deliberately treating a serious issue with inappropriate humor. For example, there was a public outrage on his facetious remark regarding the murder case. Some unusual vocabulary with the letter H. Heuristic. It means enabling discovery or problem solving. For example, the company's heuristic approach helped them to solve the problem in a creative manner. Harangue. It means to give a long, persuasive and aggressive speech. For example, the politician harangued the audience with his false promises. Heterodoxy. It means unconventional or unorthodox approach or opinion. Example, the CEO's heterodoxy helped the company reach new heights. Improve your lexicon with some cue words. Quaint means attractive yet unusual or strange. For example, the quaint village cottages caught my attention. Querulous. It means complaining in an annoying manner. For example, he felt sorry that his friend was querulous at the party. Quench. It means to satisfy one's thirst by drinking. For example, he wanted some lime water to quench his thirst. Qualm means feeling of doubt or worry about one's own conduct. For example, I had some qualms about accepting his offer. Here are some uncommon words with the letter U. Unctuous. It means excessively flattering or ingratiating. For example, he charms everyone with his unctuous words and glamour. Ubiquity. It means the state of being present everywhere. For example, the ubiquity of mobile phones now ensures that we don't need an alarm clock anymore. Umbrage. It means to take offense or feel resentful. For example, my sister took umbrage when the neighbor tried to criticize her. Some interesting adjectives with the letter V. Vainglorious. It means excessively proud of oneself or one's achievements. For example, his vainglorious attitude doesn't sit well with most of his friends. Vacuous. It means having or showing lack of intelligence. Example, I found this movie to be boring and vacuous. Valedictory means serving as a farewell. Example, his colleague gave a heartwarming valedictory speech on the eve of his send-off.